Hello! Today we are going to make a 4-shelf utility organizer. We will use 2 pieces of illustration board, 31 cm height and 10 cm wide, 3 pieces of 13 cm height and 7.5 cm wide from the base for the shelves.
A piece 10 high centimeters by 7.5 centimeters base piece for the bottom of the organizer. A piece 6 centimeters high by 7.5 centimeters as a base for the lid. A piece of 3 centimeters high by 7.5 centimeters of base for the front part.
And for the back part, a last piece of 31.5 centimeters high for 9 centimeters of base for the back part.
If you cannot buy this material, you can use any type of cardboard that you can find in your house. The materials that we use are illustration board, cutter, scissors, liquid glue or silicone gun, and a ruler. To decorate it, you can use colored paper or paint it, but we prefer the style minimalist.
In total, there must be 9 pieces of illustration board of 10 times 7.5 centimeters. This tutorial is not very hard. The only difficult part is to cut all of these pieces. Everything else is barely and uncommon.
We are going to cut the corners of the two largest 31.5 by 10 centimeters illustration board pieces. We can use the first one we cut as a reference to cut the second one so that both are symmetrical. To glue the pieces, I use this glue, but it is not necessary since you can use hot or cold silicone depending on how fast you want it to dry. We will take the base that measures 10 by 7.5 centimeters and we begin to glue on the sides, but you can use white resist too.
I recommend that you give it a pass with crazy glue since it is stronger and dries faster, but be careful not to stick your fingers.
Now we are going to take the base that measures 6 by 7.5 centimeters and glue it. After this, we will paste the back part which measures 9 by 31.5 centimeters.
Now we take our organizer and in one of the rounded sides, we are going to use a ruler to mark points in the 9, 18 and 21 centimeters, in which we are going to place the shelves with an inclination from the top to the bottom. We are also going to place a little rectangle in the base of the last shelf.
Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, subscribe on the channel and give us a like.